So nice. So beautiful car. How old is this car?
1968.
1968. Wow. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
So clean. How many horsepower is this?
Well, it's the factory is rating about 375, but it's
Oh,
it's
yeah.
dynoed at 5.
Ah, yeah, that's really good.
58 or something.
So cute. There's one more here. You got a toy also. What is this car, sir?
It's a GTO.
GTO.
Gran Turismo Homologato.
This is a Dodge or
Huh?
this is a Dodge or
Right here,
It's
Dad?
a Pontiac. Yeah.
Oh wow, she got the toy. Oh, Pontiac.
Pontiac.
1989?
69.
69. Wow. Still good. Here's one for that's Mustang.
Huh?
That's Mustang.
No, that's Yoshi.
Yeah. This one is so cool. I like the cars. This one is so nice. See? So cute.